Hello all. Today what we are going to do is to deploy an Hello World on the cloud platform for AWS on AWS. So for that, what is the basic requirement? We should have an account on AWS. You can have an free tier account for AWS, and here you can see I have already logged into my account. So to deploy in Hello World, first we need to go to console. So from clicking here, you will able to open the console, which will be in Cloud Shell. Now you can see it was preparing it. Now it's ready. So first of all, what we need to do is we need to initialize the SAM. Now, what is SAM? SAM is a serverless application model we are using. So, we'll initialize it using SAM init. So, this way it will be initialized. Now, we are getting two options which template source would like to use. So, we have to choose the one, that is AWS Quick Start the template. Then you will get further options. There again we'll select one, which is Hello World example. Now here we'll choose no for the popular routine. We get some option to select the language preference. Here we'll select Python 3.9, which is the 14th option. Enter. Now what package type would you like to use? So we'll go with the zip and choose the one. Now there will be some question asked, so we just need to put enter 4 times. Now you can check by using the command list whether we have created it. So you can see sam.app has been created. It is displayed. Now we'll change the directory using cd. Now we came to the SAM directly. Now we'll build it using the command sam space build. So now we'll be deploying it. SAM space deploy space dash dash guided. Then you need to press enter for the stack name. Same with the AWS region. Change no. Then allow SAM CLI enter. Disable role enter. Is it okay? Yes. Then save enter. SAM configure file enter. Configure environment enter. Now just wait for its creation. It will take a while. So it has created successfully. Now you see there is an option output. We can see the output. What we need to go? We need to go in the Hello World API and copy the value, the path which is written in the value, and paste it on another window. So see here the hello word is printed. So we are able to successfully able to deploy the hello word. Now we need to undeploy the same. So how we will do that? We will write sam delete. It will ask you for the assurance, so you can say yes. So it is deleting from the S3 bucket which we have already studied, the storage bucket. It is also deleting the CloudFormation stacks which we created. So it has been successfully deleted. And now we'll refresh it, so you can see internet service error it shows. So this is how we have deployed and deleted the hellos word. So thank you. Hope you liked it.